Hi, first grade Smarties. After you look through the book, there was an old lady who swallowed some leaves. You can go ahead and do this writing activity. There is a pattern in here to make your own jack-o'-lantern. And there's lots of choices inside the packet. There's only one hat, but you could give it a hat if you wanted to. And then I like mine to have a triangle nose. Oh, I think that's actually an eye though. I'm gonna give it some big eyes, or I can give it a little eye, and then I can choose what kind of mouth I want it to have. I could even do his mouth upside down. Okay, I could use these as eyes, the triangles, if I wanted to, and then maybe a circle nose, any way you want to do it. Then after you make your jack-o'-lantern, you can write about it. You'll just grab one of the writing sheets, make sure you put your name on it so I know who it belongs to, and then we are going to start with an uppercase letter and write the word my. Jack-o'-lantern, which is a word that you can find on the word wall, has 2 eyes. Okay, he has a hat at. He is smiling. I-O-I-N-G, ing. Okay, and then I'm out of space. I can't write anymore. So make sure you have your name up here, and then after you're done writing about your jack-o'-lantern, turn it into wherever your teacher has you turn in work.